Hello guys, it's me again. Today I'm bringing you another tutorial and I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server. It's very simple. Trouble with having two screens, you see. So first of all, I'm going to make a normal vanilla Minecraft server, and then I'll make some other tutorials, or actually I'm going to do it all in the same tutorial. So first of all, you go Minecraft website, minecraft.net. You know that. I googled it for some silly reason. So wait, I'm logging in. There you go. Just skip the part of it there. Is it gonna sign me in maybe? Yeah. You wanna click download now, and you wanna do Minecraft server.exe. You can do a jar file if you need to allocate less RAM. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But all you need to do is click on this and save it. Now I'm not going to do that because all you have to do is save it into a folder, click run, and it will generate some folders and everything. But I'm going to show you how to do it the bukkit way. Yeah, so to do that, you go to bukkit.org. Links for these will be in the description. So no worries, quite simple links. But so when you're on this bukkit website, you want to click Get Craft Bukkit. Now here is the recommended build, which might not always be the latest version of Minecraft, but if you want the latest version of Minecraft, I think it's dl.bukkit.org. Oh no, that is wrong. Wow. dl.bukkit.org. It's about to write that time. There we go. So here's the recommended build. It's 1.4.7. It might not always be that when the new update comes out, and then it'll have the beta build 1.4.7 as well. So you click any of them. I'm going to quickly download this one. I'm going to save it onto my desktop. I'm going to have a folder called test server. I'm going to save it in there as craft. Right, make sure you call it craft bukkit, nothing else, or you'll have to end up going into the config. That's my Skype, not yours. So yeah, save that as it is. 1 second, sorry. What? Oh yeah, sorry. Okay, so it's finished downloading. I just skipped a bit there. So here's our test server, and here's the jar file. Now you want to get Notepad up. So Notepad. And you'll. Oh, sorry. 1 sec. Just getting back onto the website. Okay, so I'm just on the Get Bukkit page again on the website. You want to copy and paste this. This is for Windows only, I think. And paste it into your YouTube. Now this is the RAM you're adding. I'm going to leave it default. I'm not actually running the server. You may want to add more RAM, allocate less RAM, which is very easy. You just type in the amount of RAM, really. So this is megs. So what you do, you need to save it, Control S, when it loads, and you want to save it into that server, test server. Here we go, as run.bat or any like launch.bat, and it has to be all files. Otherwise, it will just save as a Word Notepad document. Click save, cross off, and here you have a run. You want to double click that now, and it'll bring up this window. Give it a few chances. Oh, and the reason I said you must save this as craft bukkit is because if you look here, it's in the code, it's craftbukkit.jar. Now you can change that if you want, don't have to. It's just taking a while to load up here. So here we go. It's gonna do generate all these folders, which you might be familiar with. I don't want to put that there. No, over there. Oh, wow, Windows. Okay, so now it's finished generating the server. Sorry, I got a bit disturbed there. You want to click save all and stop. That close down the server, and now you can sort out your ops. So I'm just gonna op myself. It's DJ123. Now server. This is the main properties file. If you've never set up a server before, this is the MOTD, the bit that appears when you're on your server's list. So like a fun test Minecraft server. You can set your game mode, so if it's 1, everyone who joins will be creative. Set the amount of players. I'm just going to do 1 for this video. Spawn monsters false, you can set it to. There's loads of stuff. Now, server port 25565 is default. I'd leave it there unless you're setting up 2 servers in your house, which I wouldn't do. That's advanced, so you can do that. Save it, close it. This is the world. Plugins go in here, like you can download from the Bukkit website. There's like essentials that make it really cool. There's the world here. You can change that, insert your own, and then in the server file here you'll rename it to something else. But yeah, so that's how to set up a server. But now you need the port set up, so you can actually access it from other houses, which is really simple. You go on your internet. Well, I say simple, depends what router you've got. Now I'm going to be using TalkTalk router, so it might look completely different to yours. Now first of all you need to type in 192.168.1.1. that will be in the description. Click advanced on TalkTalk, yes. You come onto this setup page here. I mean, there's this, I'll show you in a minute. There's a website you can use for your own router. Okay, so on my router you need to click advanced virtual server, or it's something like port forwarding on your router, and you need to make a port. You can call it MC test server. That's what I'm going to call it. PVCO, leave it on that. PVCO, yeah, sorry. 192.168.1.9. Now basically, that is your computer's set IP. You can find that out on Windows 7, a bit similar on Windows Vista and XP, by clicking Open Network Sharing Center. Oh dearie me. Network bridge, oh great. Properties. So you click on your mine's a bit different because I've got bridge set up, which is totally different. It should come up here with your wireless, like TalkTalk or something. Click that, click properties, click details, sorry, and you need to find your IPv4. Mine's .7, I got it wrong. So you need 192.168.1.7. You'll learn all these numbers eventually, so I want to put 7. Oh, 7. And then 25565, let's just copy. You need it in all of these, because we're not doing a very advanced port. So these are because it's default port. When they try to join this server, that's default port. If you change it to 6, all these to 6, which I'm not, then change it in the file to 6, they'll then have to use your IP and colon blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, now to find out your IP, sorry this is a big rush. You type in my IP, copy and paste that, give it to your friend, and yeah, they can access it on the Minecraft client, come on it, and so on. So yeah, that's basically it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, again, please leave a link in the description. Yeah, I'm going to delete this test server now. Have a fiddle around with plugins and stuff. I might do some plugin stuff, and so yeah. We'll see you guys next time for another tutorial. Don't know what it is yet. Don't forget, if you want to know something, just leave it in the description, comment, whatever, and then I will think about doing it. Don't make it too hard for me.